Hey folks, we're going to offer a new category of porn on I Can Teach You How to Make That. We're going to call this new segment One Pan Meals. And it's exactly how it sounds. Hey folks, before we get started on today's show, I just wanted to say a quick hello to the new subscribers of I Can Teach You How to Make That. I must say, the most rewarding part of making the show is you never know where you're going to find a new fan base. Since I've been doing these new segments, I've been receiving interesting fan mail from a very distinct new demographic. I'll read you one of their letters. This one reads, Dear David, the sample ladies and I here at Costco sure are big fans of I Can Teach You How to Make That, and especially your new segments, One Pan Meals. Hey folks, before we get started on today's episode, I just wanted to give you fair warning that today's dish will fill your home with the beautiful aromas of Madras curry, ginger, and garlic for days to follow. So if you ever wanted to have your home smell like a New Delhi food market, prepare to lose your cleaning deposit on this episode of One Pan Meals. Oh, hey, this is awkward. Hey, well, the other day I got asked what my favorite leftover food is to reheat. I didn't even have to think about my top three. Number 3, scalloped potatoes. Silver medal, Christmas turkey dinner. Number 1, mushroom risotto cakes, reheated. Oh, the best. You'll see, I'm about to give you episode 6 of 6 of One Pan Meals. Do you remember the cooking scene from Goodfellas when the guys were in jail and Paulie was slicing the garlic so thin that it would just liquefy in the oil? Did you ever notice that he was cooking that over a hot plate? Yeah, the guys from Goodfellas, they definitely needed an episode of One Pan Meals. What's the question again? Is this the greatest pad thai of all time? No, not even close. But it's probably a solid 8 out of 10, considering I made it out of an electric frying pan. And I didn't boil my noodles, I just soaked them in hot tap water, sticking with the theme segment of the show. You know, One Pan Meals.